In this video, I'll show you how to select cash on delivery when ordering food on Zomato. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Select a restaurant and add items. Choose your restaurant. Add your favorite items to the cart by tapping Add or Plus next to each item. When you're done, tap View Cart. Step 3. Proceed to checkout. Review your order. Make sure your delivery address and contact details are correct. Tap on Proceed to Pay or Checkout. Step 4. Choose payment method. On the payment page, scroll and select Cash on Delivery as your payment option. Tap Place Order to confirm. Step 5. Receive your food and pay in cash. When the delivery arrives, simply pay the total amount in cash to the delivery person. Note: if cash on delivery is not showing, it may be disabled for that restaurant, not available in your area, or restricted due to past order issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more food app tips and tricks.